Hello everyone, and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset Google Chrome to its default settings step by step. Resetting Chrome can help fix problems such as slow performance, unwanted changes, browser errors, or issues caused by extensions. So let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Next, click the three-dot menu in the top right corner of the browser window. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. Once you're in the Settings page, look at the left sidebar. Click on Reset Settings. You'll see an option called Restore Settings to their original defaults. Click on it. A confirmation window will appear explaining what will happen when Chrome is reset. Resetting Chrome will restore your startup page, new tab page, search engine, and pinned tabs to their default settings. It will also disable all extensions and clear temporary data such as cookies. However, your bookmarks, browsing history, and saved passwords will not be deleted. Review the information carefully. If you're ready to continue, click Reset Settings. Chrome will begin restoring the default configuration. Once the process is complete, your browser will be reset and any problematic settings should be removed. You can now reopen your tabs, re-enable trusted extensions, and continue browsing. And that's it. You've successfully reset Google Chrome to its default settings. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Google Chrome tutorials and troubleshooting tips. See you in the next video.